Shalom Aleichem, welcome to Assyrian Dishes. I'm Julian and today I'll be making a chicken and eggplant dish. So let's start cooking. These are the ingredients for the chicken and eggplant dish. You will need some chicken fillets, some spaghetti or marinara sauce, provolone cheese, one small eggplant that I've just sliced, some butter, sliced spring onions, some olive oil, onion powder, and sea salt. And this is how your chicken and eggplant dish should look like. Serve it with some salad and enjoy. Remember to subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share this recipe with your friends. And don't forget to visit my website at AssyrianDishes.com for more recipes. Happy cooking everyone!